So I think you, as a senior commander, you have to recognize that technology adapts continuously. Mm-hmm. You've got to be open to that. And some people are, some people aren't. He was not, I would argue, open to the changing nature of the fight, mm-hmm. both in its essentials. The relationship between offense and defense changed over the course of the Pacific War at sea. Right. Second, he was not open to the new ways that the Navy had to bring information in and process it and present it to commanders. That's related to the first, but again, it's slightly different. And that's important. And I think those are, if I were going to draw a couple of lessons, that would be it. The third thing is you have to temper aggressiveness.